summer shirt. Started a class like that. Wasn't ready for 11th grade chem. Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, I don't think anyone's ready for 11th grade chem. Don't worry about it. Are you still in 11th, 12th grade range? Because when I took chemistry in college, even, I still didn't feel ready. But yeah, the hope is that they get like some foundations in physics. Like the expectations for middle school students now are so different from when I was in school, which, you know, like wasn't that long ago, but it's still like pretty significantly different. Like instead of teaching them more of the equation sides of physics, like F equals ma, they're doing more like, if one snowmobile is crashing into the other, what do you think could happen if they were the same mass? It's a lot more word problem based and inference and inquiry based instead of like the hard kind of math based. But they'll do more of those equations and applied math when they're in high school too. They would break. I feel like that's totally an answer that they would give us. And yeah, probably wouldn't come out surviving. But for my kids, if you were to ask them that, a bunch of them would say, well, the snowmobile with less mass would go flying and be more affected. And then the kids that can go up another scaffold will say, the one with less mass will have a greater velocity change because the less mass something has, the more likely it's to be affected in a collision with something with a bigger mass. These pants belong to a high school student. I need to get these back to them. Which sounds creepy. Sorry. Let me specify. From from the last school that I worked at, they were doing a musical and they did You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown. And this was one of the options for our Snoopy, and they didn't end up using it. So for some reason, it ended up in my stuff when I left that school. Alright, sig figs. Oh my god. Yeah, no. You see, they don't have to worry so much about sig figs or like that, like hardcore math section of it. They just need to think more of like applying the situation to a real world problem. No, I'm just a teacher. As we can tell by the state of my studio apartment, there's like no way I can feasibly raise children in my home at the same time without losing it. Aw, Keith, so sweet. I still have some things to do. I need to finalize their do-nows. I need to finalize their seating charts. I don't really care that much this week. Like, I care. If they're still sitting with their same groups from last week, which they were doing a pretty good job at, except for my first period, it shouldn't be a problem. We're doing more, like, activities out of our seats. Like, Monday, we're going to be out of our seats for almost all of it. Tuesday, too. Wednesday, we're outside doing an egg drop. Thursday, we're in our seats, like, the whole time because we're doing a review for their test on Friday. And then Friday, obviously, they're in their chairs taking their quiz. It honestly probably could. If you took out all the shelves, it could probably fit me. But it's still full of stuff, so it's not fitting anybody right now. Oh, I've been looking for this dress for like the last 2 weeks. Oh, yes. Good. Right, these pants that I probably don't need anymore for cosplay stuff, but I got better fitting pants. So I'll have to take a look at if I want to keep these in my life or if I can donate these. I'm going to the questionable pile. Wait, I wanted to put candles in these. No, I wanted to put lights in these. I was like, what was I thinking? What idiot would put a candle in this? But now I remembered it wasn't a candle. It was an LED light. Very cool. I love this channel because the people that come here always have the best puns. If someone were to ask me, like, what's my favorite thing about streaming, it probably a large percentage of the pie chart would be people coming in and bringing puns. Cool thing, because it's a refrigerator. What is this? Why is there a cleaner in the box? Okay, so that box is done. What did I just accomplish? Okay. Where's my hanger pile? Oh, it's over here. Okay. Okay, so then I'm going to put things we don't need to worry about for now in here, slash things that need to be ironed, slash things I don't know what to do with yet, aka big pajamas. Don't know what to do with them yet. I think, oh, I saved some jokes from the other day, the science jokes that you were all giving me, so I can write one on the board every day, and the kids can have them. They're gonna love and hate them at the same time. So much yelling, I'm sure. I had an adventure at Target. It's not the library. I know, Jimin, we're somewhere else today. I know. It's so exciting. Also, I'm realizing my screen isn't capturing full chat. Why is that? Do I need to pop chat out again? Why does it do this sometimes? What did I do? It's from all the times I am in the library. Oh, there we go. It's bad because it's true, Hazel. That's literally what I do all the time.